In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Perplexity for finance. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the finance workspace, frame a clear research prompt, and unlock a deeper analysis with just a few clicks, all while keeping things simple and efficient. First, open the Perplexity website in your browser. You don't need anything fancy here, just a reliable internet connection and a modern browser. Taking a second to confirm you're on the official site helps ensure you get the latest finance features and the most accurate results. Once the homepage loads, click on Finance. This takes you into a focused environment built specifically for market research. Think of it as a smart dashboard designed to answer finance questions with current sources and concise summaries, whether you're exploring companies, sectors, or broader economic themes. Now, click on the empty space in the Finance search area to activate the input field. You'll see a large clean box at the top of the page. Clicking here places your cursor so you can start crafting your prompt. It's a small step, but it ensures your text goes exactly where the tool expects it, which keeps everything smooth. Type in what you want to research. Clear, specific prompts work best. Include a company name or ticker, the topic you care about, and a time frame if it matters. For example, you might ask for an overview of a company's latest earnings, a valuation snapshot, recent catalysts, or key risks. Avoid personal details or confidential information. Stick to facts you want the model to analyze, like financial metrics, news, or trends. Next, click on Submit. Perplexity. Finance will gather information, summarize the core points, and display sources it used to answer your question. Give it a moment to populate. You'll typically see a concise answer at the top and citations beneath it. It's helpful to skim the summary first to understand the headline viewpoint, then glance at the sources for credibility and context. Markets change quickly, so timely citations are a good sign. Finally, click on Deep Dive on Perplexity Finance. This opens a structured, long-form analysis tailored to your query. You can expect a more detailed breakdown, often touching on fundamentals, recent developments, valuation context, and potential risks or catalysts. Use this view to move from quick answers to a fuller picture, noting how the evidence connects to the conclusions. If something stands out, consider refining your original prompt with more precise language to focus the next pass. That's it. With these steps, you can move from a broad finance question to a sourced, in-depth analysis quickly. Use it as a starting point, verify key data points, and remember this is research support, not investment advice.